Hi, this is Imam Arif from Karachi, Pakistan, and right now I'm in Barcelona main street. You can see today is Sunday. Today is Monday, and now everybody is enjoying. And today is the Easter day, and you can see the shops and people who are enjoying, and you can see the shops, and everybody is busy, and they are enjoying, and somebody are playing, and you can see the tourism buses and everything, and if I will go more there, and the bus is not so clear, but you can see the bus is moving around, and the people are enjoying, and you can see, and Prada, this shop, Longchamp, and Hotel Royal, Passage D, Gracia, and now see, everybody is busy, and they are enjoying, and the buses are moving around, and this is the tourism bus, you can see, and this is cab, taxi cab, the rental cab, Cartier shop, you can see, and now the cyclists, you see, they're enjoying, you see the motorbike like a bull horns, and it looked like it's a well famous bike in Spain, which you are seeing here. And I am now at the Barcelona duty free shop, and you can see the peoples are purchasing their gifts, shampoos, perfumes, and other stuff as well. And now I'm moving with my friends, but I'm searching them where they are. But excellent, a nice place, and I'm moving and showing you the shops and peoples who are buying, and they are enjoying, and upstairs there is a security, and after security checking, now we are moving. And my friends, where are they? Still I'm searching them. Maybe I will find them, and after some while, or maybe I'll be calling them where they are. These are, they mentioned boutique, but yeah, some clothes are there, some stuff. I'm standing in front of Severos, and the fountains, you can see the lights, fountains, and water is like turquoise color, like blue and green mixture. And here you can see there's the statue, I cannot say, but it looks nice. And this is the hotel, Euro Stars, and I'm staying in this hotel, and after some while I'll be having pizza here because I'm feeling hunger. And this way, if you see, the building look nice, and it's a windy weather and a little bit raining, and you can see the place, it look nice, and I'm enjoying. And this weather look beautiful, and feeling like sweet winter, you can say, where you can enjoy. And it's a nice place, and if you see the round circle type place where you can sit and enjoy. And here some shops are there, but it's a little, it's 11 p.m. so you can see the building structure is nice, really enjoying, and how beautiful it is. Excellent place. And